Hello friends, here comes my new video, and for this particular video I have got lots of requests from my students. So here comes the video on Lenskart. So let me start this by introducing with the industry type. So first of all I'll talk about the industry type from the source called Wikipedia. So Lenskart is a private brand here in the industry called glasses basically, so opticians. And if you talk about, it was founded in the year 2010. And if you talk about the CEO, who is the Piyush Bansal, okay, and it is headquartered in Faridabad, Delhi NCR. Now, moving further, if you talk about the unicorn status, since it was launched in the year 2010, but by the year 2018 it became profitable company, and now if you read this particular article, Lenskart walks into unicorn club with SoftBank Vision Fund investment. So here come they have got the funding for $275 million, which is equal to rupees 1,956 crore by SoftBank. And let me talk about the important aspects only. Yes, so technology and artificial intelligence, these are the two biggest reasons that why Lenskart has been able to achieve a unicorn status here. And that's how their strategy is to continuously gain a better customer experience and surprise them with different sales schemes or marketing schemes. Now, if you talk about the profitability, as I have already mentioned, that Lenskart, which is the retailer private brand, they have posted a revenue of 486 crore in financial year 2019, which was up by 56%. So look at the growth here as compared to the earlier year, which was around 310 crore. Now, if you talk about the profit, it's clearly mentioned that in March 2018, Wipro chairman Aziz Premji also invested 400 crore in the group, which took the valuation of the company to rupees 3,000 crore. And in 2018, the company became profitable. Okay. So, with respect to the profits, with respect to the industry type, and with other aspects, if I would rate Lenskart, I would rate them 5 on 5. Why? Because I'll tell you the reasons behind it. Now, if you talk about first of all the product line of Lenskart, which is the glasses, and under this product line called glasses, they have got multiple product categories, which ranges from, as you can see from this website, that is the eyeglasses, the second is computer glasses, third is contact lenses, and the fourth one is the sunglasses. So I would actually be talking about these 4 different product categories, that is the eye, computer, sun and contact lenses. And under this you will find multiple brands. Okay, so in this, if you see, look at my arrow, in the eyeglasses you have got Ray-Ban as a multiple brand, Vincent Chase, John Jacobs, okay. And under the sunglasses they have got multiple brand called Ray-Ban, John Jacobs, Vincent Chase, Vogue, and then if you talk about the contact lenses, they have got Bausch & Lomb, and then they have got Johnson & Johnson, and then they have got different Pure Vision. Likewise, the multiple brands in multiple product categories, and under each brand you will find the multiple variants, which is called the line extension strategy adopted by the company called Lenskart. So if you talk about the line extension category, so under the eyeglasses, these are the multiple brands, as you can see. And under these brands, you've got multiple variants. If you talk about the rim style, the full rim, half rim, rimless, cat eye, aviator shapes, wayfarer shapes glasses. So these are all called the line extension strategy of the company called Lenskart. So now I will take you through, first of all, called eyeglasses, and under this particular product category, there are multiple segments. So apart from multiple brands, multiple variants, as you can see, frame type is called the rectangle, wayfarer, round, aviator, cat eye, rimless, half rim. And you can also see the multiple colors under line extension strategy called green, blue, brown, and the line extension only they have got multiple powers as well as the spherical, cylindrical, and then you can customize based upon your power. Okay, and these are the different brands under contact lenses category, as you can see from here. So that's the product category. Under the product category you've got multiple brands, and under each brand you've got multiple variants, and multiple variants you've got frame shapes, you've got frame colors, you've got frame powers. So this is very, very important to understand this. And under this also they've created multiple segments. One is for men, women and kids. So look at the way they have improved their sales revenue. So that's a wonderful way they have adopted. And let me take up through my presentation. So I've spoken about product line, product categories, multiple brands, line extensions, multiple segments. And apart from this, in order to improve their sales revenue, they have improved their reach to multiple markets. As you can see from their website, they're in USA, Singapore, UAE as well. So that is the kind of the market development they have adopted. And if you look at their channel distribution strategy, they have adopted a direct channel distribution. And under this there is another model called franchise model as well, wherein they are trying to extend their branding as well. Now let me take you through their multiple strategies by which they have achieved success in the market. So the first strategy that they have adopted is the Bible of marketing before I buy live experience, that is the home eye test with trial. As you can see here, that's how the home eye test with the trial option. So you can book through their application or through their website this eye checkup slot for yourself or through their call center, and they'll come and then they'll offer you and they'll show you different frames and based upon your power. So that's how, as I would like to run this particular video as well here through the website.
The world came to a standstill, and we all have been in house arrest. Our homes became our office, school, warehouse, everything. The outgoing generation is indoors, glued to their gadgets. Amidst all this, our eyes are the most used part of our body, and also the most ignored one. Is it healthy? Now, get your eye tested at the ease and comfort of your home. And here's where Lenskart
service comes to your rescue.
So that's a wonderful strategy they have adopted here, which provides you the convenience at your home.
Our Lenskart specialists come packed with knowledge about eye care and also a bunch of glasses for you to choose from. Worried about your safety? We make sure they are sanitized and wearing their PPE kit at all times.
So this is a very good strategy that improves their sales revenue. And here comes, they have got different schemes also. The first is the welcome offer. They usually give you a welcome offer at ₹999, and under this they will provide you a power glass or any glass with fully loaded blue cut technology of ₹3,500 at the cost of ₹999. So I would like to run this particular video called First Frame Free. So that is a very good strategy they have adopted here, which talks about the first frame free. And apart from this, they have got another strategy called store locators. Now, let me tell you guys, Lenskart is a very good brand in terms of providing the product and in terms of providing the customer satisfaction, customer value. But yes, your store experience may vary from store to store. So let me locate you different stores here because I am in in Gurgaon. So let me just see if they are trying to give you the option from Gurgaon, because I have visited two stores. One store is in New Railway Road and the other one is in Sector 14. So if you talk about the New Railway Road store, the experience was not good, because the person who was trying to test your eyes was not at all good in terms of the attitude and the care for the customers. However, if you talk about the Sector 14 branch, the team out there is wonderful and very professional in terms of providing a very heavy level of customer satisfaction. So I would strongly recommend to visit Sector 14 branch. And apart from this, the other strategies, if you talk about the membership strategy. So out there is a strategy called Gold Members. So that's a very good strategy. And let me show you the different benefits. All the business now should be in a position to offer you the membership schemes. Okay. And that gives them an edge in the market. And this, if you become a member, you get a 1+1. So you buy one and get one free on eyeglasses and sunglasses, or you can save up to 50% on purchase of a single product. Now, these are some of the extra offers for member. As you can see from the website, extra 1000 off and extra 35% off. And for different product categories, there are different schemes for member. So it is highly recommended that you become the member before you purchase a particular product or service, because you will get very good schemes. And once you become a member, they also offer you a referral marketing scheme wherein you get the cashback and you get cash provisions from them as well. So you can buy very easily. And once you raise the order with their store, that is the kind of email, everything you get through their online mode. So whether it is the invoice or whether it is the tracking, everything is available. All the information is available, like what kind of frame you have bought, what is your power. So everything is through online medium. So that's a very good strategy. They'll offer you how to track your order. And if you see, the total is rupees 7,000, whereas the discount is rupees 3,500, and there is an additional discount of rupees 350 and taxes. So in a nutshell, they have given you for 2 frames, you are being charged rupees 3,528 under the gold membership scheme. And apart from this, you can also earn the cashback. For example, there is a recent offering from the Lenskart, as you can see from here, from their website only. Let me just show you this particular sales promotion scheme here. Yes, here. Buy one plus get one free plus 14% cashback as well. So that's the wonderful strategy they have adopted, and this subscription is transferable. I mean, you can give it to your friends or family members as well. So wonderful strategy. Apart from this, there is another the feature called Lenskart Blue. I mean, for those people who are on screen most of the time, and these days, because of the coronavirus and COVID pandemic, the people have become online, and every time you are available and your screen time is improved. So this Blue is recommended here. That is a very good feature they have given you here. Now, apart from this, if you talk about the another strategy called augmented reality. So under the technology, if you look at their website, there is a provision called 3D try on. Here, try in 3D. So I would like to run an ad here, and this one. That's a very good ad. So you can also try any kind of frame, all range you can try online. So with their this try 3D feature, it's a very good feature. We call it augmented reality strategy here, and you'll be very clear which frame shape suits you well. So based upon this technology, they are able to sell more. So that's a very good feature here, and that gives you an edge to understand that how this frame will look on your face, and apart from this they'll guide you what kind of frame and what kind of dimension would suit you.
अब ट्राई करो हजारों चेहरे, वो भी अपने ही चेहरे पर। Pick up your phone, create your 3D avatar. Lenskart.com.
So you can apply this particular feature either through website or through app as well. So moving further, yes, Lenskart is very good with respect to the sales promotion strategy under the promotion P of marketing, and every week or every 15 days you will find a new strategy or a voucher or a coupon code is available for you. So whether it is Valentine Day, or it is Holi, or it is Deepavali, or it is New Year Eve, you will find different sales promotion schemes available for you. Another technology feature that creates an edge for Lenskart as compared to any other local player in the market is the precision and accuracy through robotic technology. So that particular point I would like to explain you through this advertisement. This is a very good robotic technology wherein the chances of accuracy in your power and your glasses becomes higher. So that's a kind of zero error philosophy they have adopted.
हर महंगी चश्मे की दुकान के पीछे मिस्टेक हो गया हो इसीलिए पूरे देश में सिर्फ
See, the point here is that we cannot afford to have any kind of error in our glasses at all at any cost, because that's the power which is customized for everyone. So whether you may have got a spherical number or a cylindrical number with an axis of 180 degree or 165 degree or 170 degree, I mean, we really cannot compromise with respect to this particular accuracy in our glasses. For example, if I have got, let's say, an axis of 165, and if a local optician make a mistake of just 5 degree and offers me a 170 degree axis, so then the lens would be blurred, which I can't afford at any cost. So that is the single reason that I always visit Lenskart, because of this robotic technology and precision and accuracy in glasses at the end of the day. See, these are some of the strategies that I have explained. That is the Bible, store locator, membership, sales promotion. Augmented reality is a very good feature. Robotic technology is very good. Line extension is very good. Welcome offer is very good. Apart from this, they also offer you referral marketing, and you can earn through referrals, and there are also customer voices. See, now I've got lots of videos and I've got lots of other points through their website, but the point is I've got a time limitation. This video is already more than 18 minutes, and just to cut it short, I would like to stop here only, because I would recommend and after analysis of their website and their publications, I can strongly recommend you to go to Lenskart once and try to understand that why they are better as compared to any other local opticians in the market. So, and you'll be very much clear that why you should go with the Lenskart. I have already spoken about the accuracy and precision, which is a very good strategy and aspect before you buy. And rest everything you know about now. With this, I would like to end this particular video, and I would like to congratulate Lenskart for their wonderful strategy in giving their target market a wonderful product and service. Whether it is in terms of customer value or customer satisfaction or customer relationship management. Apart from this, they also offer you the marketing philosophy, and if you are not comfortable with your purchase, then you can get your refund within 14 days, or you can get your glasses replaced within 14 days of time period. which is difficult to get such philosophy in the market. With this, thank you very very much, and I would request you to kindly subscribe to my video and press the bell icon button to receive similar kind of videos on marketing domain from my side. Please do share, like and subscribe to my channel. And with this, thank you very very much.